What's up, guys? They're watching another video. Today we got some rain, bro. Finally. You guys don't understand how long I've been waiting for it to rain. Honestly, not that much rain. It looks like it's already stopping, bro, but the floors are wet, which means, so we got a Z and we got some wet floors. There's only one thing to try to do. We gotta try to drift the Z again. If you guys remember the last video, I tried drifting the 350Z with the stock diff. I haven't welded the diff yet. I need to weld the diff. If anyone out there knows how to weld the diff, help me out. Let's do it. We can make a cool little vlog welding the diff. But right now we still got the stock diff on. I tried it last time, if you guys remember. The Z just would not whip out. Like, it wouldn't drift correctly. It kept like locking up a little bit. It prevents it from trying to drift. A lot of people also said to take off the traction control button, but there's no button here, so I don't even have traction control. Or just weld the diff and then you should be able to drift. So anyways, we're gonna try it one more time. Since it's raining, it might be a little bit easier. Last time I was also doing it in first gear, and in second gear I found it's a lot easier to like kick out. So I don't know, we're just gonna go have some fun, do a little point of view drive, see if we can find a cool little spot to do some donuts or something. Just feel the car drift. I want to drift this car. I can't wait till we weld the diff. The car still has its ugly exhaust on. I'm sorry, I apologize in advance. I know you guys hate the exhaust, but don't worry, we actually got a new exhaust. It's actually sitting in my living room. I gotta install it. The reason I haven't put it on yet is because I need a Y pipe, guys. This car has like a custom fabricated Y pipe, so it won't connect to this exhaust, if that makes any sense. I'll show you guys another car next time, but I need a stock Y pipe if anyone has one, or an upgraded Y pipe. Do the windshield wipers work? Oh. Hell nah, they don't work. Look how horrible this is, guys. Oh my god. This car really is a piece of crap. Like, I'm not even joking. Look at this, guys. The windshield wipers aren't even on, bro. Like, this is not even a windshield wiper, dude. I'm just gonna take this shit off. How do I take this off? I don't know how this works. It's messed up. Alright, we're just gonna leave it like that for now. The windshield wipers do not work. It's all good. Hopefully we'll be able to see somehow. You guys know the drill. We gotta push it because this car won't start on its own. Gotta get some speed real quick. Get some speed. Pop the clutch. Damn it, the sun's coming out, bro. This shit needs to start raining again. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm still sketched out about driving this car. It's street legal, but I don't know, bro. It's so freaking loud, and I feel like it just looks like crap. It also doesn't even have a front bumper on, so I feel like if a cop sees me driving right now, he'd probably want to give me a hard time about it. About the exhaust, of course. I don't feel like making a pulled over video right now. I really hope it keeps raining, guys. It's already getting sunny, dude. Oh, look at the rainbow. You guys see it? Oh, there's two rainbows, bro. A double rainbow. Oh, look, there's a cop right here, look. He literally looked right at me, bro. He literally looked at me. Oh my god, please don't turn around. Oh, this car is sketchy to drive. Especially right here, guys, by my house. There's always cops. I mean, you guys saw the last time I got pulled over in the GTR. I literally just left my house, like 5 minutes, and I got pulled over. This is the last place we went to with Hugo, if you guys remember that, when we did donuts in the E92 and Jordan's Mustang. And then the security guard chased us out of here, so hopefully it doesn't happen again. I think we'll just try a couple of donuts and then we'll get the heck out of here before we get in trouble. Is it a security guard? I don't even know what it is. It might be. I don't know what that is, but alright. Kick out, like, it's so stupid. This might be a fail again. This shit just feels sketchy, bro. I don't like it. I think it's because I really haven't looked at the car, guys. Like, I kind of just bought the car and just started trying to drift it. I should really just like see if everything's on right. Get the suspension dialed in. Cause I don't know, bro, it's not working. You see what I mean? It's locked up. It almost wanted to. Nope. Why does it do that, bro? I hate it, bro. I really want to drift it. You guys see, I'm actually trying. It just will not, like, feels like it's actually drifting for a little bit, and then it just automatically like locks up, and it just won't, like, it's just weird, bro. It just feels so weird. I can just imagine how fun it is though with like a Wilder diff and this car like set up correctly to drift. Right now it's not set up for drifting at all. That was fun. Guys, I usually keep my mouth shut with things, but lately I've been getting so many comments that kind of bug me, bro. I don't know. This is just one of them that just happened right now. This guy said, nice clickbait on my last video with Gustavo Supra. So I'm sure he's talking about the pink Supra. I changed the car from red to pink. But guys, you guys gotta understand, like, you guys get mad about my clickbaits, but guys, it's not really, I'm not doing it purposely to piss you guys off. I'm just doing it so that I can hopefully get you guys to come and watch the videos. It's not that easy to grab people's attention and bring them to watch your video. Obviously, I feel like a pink Supra would bring more attention than a red Supra. People would just automatically want to click on it, right? And then they get to click on it, watch the cool video, and hopefully subscribe, you know what I mean? So yes, guys, there is a level of clickbait that you have to do when you're doing YouTube videos. You want people to watch your videos. You're not just out there making content all day long for just the bare minimum of people to see, you know what I mean? I wish I kept the comment, but I deleted it. But somebody commented on this one too, saying it was clickbait. But again, just like that video, I put this E46 that kind of looked like mine. It was red, and all I said was a BMW E46 M3 new wrap. It's not really clickbait. I actually talked to the owner and he was telling me he just wrapped it. And then obviously I'm gonna put it as my thumbnail, because what else am I gonna put, guys? Origins car meet? Like, it's not gonna get that many views, you know what I mean? I went to an Origins car meet, like, it just won't get as much clicks as maybe this one. This is a part of YouTube, guys. You gotta find a way to get people to click on your videos, watch your videos, or else you're kind of just making videos for no reason, you know? It takes a lot of work to go out there and film the videos, come home and edit for like 3 hours straight, or even more. I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say. And I'm not complaining, because I know the majority, oh my god, why is it zoomed in? I know that the majority of the comments on my YouTube videos are all positive. Honestly, like, everything on the YouTube channel is very positive. I probably got like 95% positive comments compared to like the 5% that barely comment some hate. I saw somebody say like, oh, put more cars, less your girlfriend. I don't want to sound rude, but like, bro, like, I'm just filming my life, bro. The comment also said that like my channel is getting boring. The last couple of videos were ass. It was just going in, bro. I know it's just one hate comment out of so much love, but it does piss me off, because I know I see a couple comments saying like, oh, your channel is getting boring. And I get it, guys, okay? It's not easy making content every single day. It's very, very hard. It's very, very stressful. It's hard to come up with new content every single day, bro. And it's hard to be in the mood to film content every single day, to go out your house, try to make content, try to think of something very interesting. I bought the Z for you guys so I can make some content for you guys. I also got a business and I'm trying to freaking make work. But again, I have a life, guys. I also got multiple businesses that I'm trying to do at the same time. So it's very hard, bro. But I do appreciate all the love that I've been getting recently. I appreciate it so much. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs, whether it's a car vlog or a lifestyle vlog or a girlfriend vlog or anything, you know what I mean? I hope you guys are enjoying it. I know there's a lot of you guys that do enjoy it. I know there's a lot of you guys that want me to just film my life, you know? So that's what I've been trying to do it's just annoying when I see little comments here and there saying like why this video is boring and stuff like that, or about comments about clickbait. Guys, I have to somehow get you guys to watch my videos, you know what I mean? And then when you post a YouTube video, you're not only focusing on like your diehard fans, you know what I mean? Not only you guys, but I also have to try to bring in audience from other people. I also got to think ahead of like when the video gets onto popular pages, I want other people to find my videos and other people to discover my videos. Yeah guys, it's a little bit of just behind the scenes of YouTube. You gotta clickbait just a little bit. Obviously sometimes you don't want to clickbait the most, you know. I'm not gonna say, oh, my GTR is totaled, and it's not even total, you know what I mean? But anyways, I appreciate everyone who is showing love. It means a lot to me. I hope you guys understand that it's not easy making YouTube videos. For those of you little haters that are commenting on my videos, if it was easy, go make some YouTube videos, bro. Tell me how easy it is to post a video every day and film and edit. It's very hard, bro. It's not easy. And have a life and run multiple businesses is hard. But I really do want to start filming more lifestyle stuff, guys, like just vlogging, daily vlogging, whether it's cars or not. Like I just want to start picking up the camera and just vlogging. And I don't want it to come off wrong either. I know a lot of YouTubers could end up getting hate when they speak of stuff like this, when they're like, it's my YouTube channel, I can film whatever I want on it. I'm not trying to start any hate. I'm not trying to get any hate. Trust me guys, I literally do everything for you guys. I literally bought a whole car for you guys to try to make content, to make entertaining stuff for you guys. The homie Hugo moved back to Fresno, David and Jordan work, so like it's very hard to make content by myself, guys. I wish I had more homies that would want to make cool content. It's just very, very hard. By myself, it's kind of boring, I feel like. But anyways, we'll make it work, guys. I appreciate everybody who's still here watching the videos and showing love. It means a lot to me. Showing love on everything, copying the merch, everything like that. It just means so much to me, bro. I know there's a lot of you guys that are like real freaking, not even fans, bro, like family, bro. So I appreciate it. That was kind of a fail, guys. It already stopped raining. Look, the sky is freaking blue. The Z still doesn't drift. That was a freaking fail. I wanted to take it out and see if it would, but it doesn't drift. Weld the diff, and then hopefully it should be very, very nice drifting.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.